There is nothing quite like that first morning when you're heading out on a vacation and it's travel day and all the bags are packed, you're checked in, you're through the terminal, and you're on your way. There is that feeling of just being able to let everything else go. And we are so excited because it was a beautiful morning to take off and head on our way. And we are so excited to be going to Walt Disney World down in Florida to experience the 50th anniversary. And I have been watching D23 over the past week, and to hear that Happily Ever After is coming back, and Princess and the Frog is going to be taking over Splash Mountain, and all of the other new exciting announcements, it's even more fun to be in that world after spending the last week kind of watching some of the D23. So I thought I would share just a quick video of our travels down there. It was such a beautiful day. The clouds were gorgeous. And I don't see it very often, but sometimes when we travel, I get a glimpse of the park. So you can see there's the Swan and Dolphin, there's Epcot, you can see part of the show building for Guardians of the Galaxy. And here we go. We are on our way in. I love this part. I love it when they're like, we are on the final descent into Orlando International Airport. It's just exciting because it just means vacation is getting ready to start. And I have been traveling to Disney World since I was very, very small. The very first trip that I took, I was actually just a couple of months old, and I traveled back there multiple times with my family, eventually with my husband multiple times, and now with my own children. And it is just one of those places I love to visit. And in the process of thinking about that and who I am as a person, I wanted to revamp my YouTube channel a little bit. I'm still going to have lots of card making. I'm still going to share all my art. My children's book that I'm working on, but I also want to be able to share some of this fun stuff with you as well. So it's kind of a conglomeration of everything that really kind of is my personality, and I cannot wait to share stories about the parks, about some of my adventures, and so much more. So I hope that you will go ahead and like this video. And I gotta tell you a quick story here. So one time we were on this little monorail and there were 2 alligators sitting right by that fence. Oh my gosh, my kids were just, oh my God. And it was crazy. It was the craziest thing. And I was like, well, welcome to Florida, right? Through that gate right there, onto our luggage and onto our vacation. So there is a lot more to share. Be sure to visit my website, jessicalynoriginal.com. Added 2 more videos for you to watch. And then if you click on that video in the middle in the circle, it'll give you the option to subscribe. And I'd love to have you come back. It doesn't cost anything, and it just tells you when the next video is next time you log onto YouTube. Take care, guys.